Okay, my final tip for tonight on GCSE maths is this. Paper one is paper one out of three, okay? You can do worse on paper one and still do better on papers 2 and 3. In fact, that's exactly what happened to me. For paper one, okay, I really thought I messed up. I thought that was one of my worst GCSE papers, along with history, paper one, and DT, and also biology paper one. Those are the papers I thought I did the worst in. Now, I did really well in papers 2 and 3 in maths and managed to get a 9, okay? So if paper one's not going well for you, you've got to have the mentality to just keep going and then revise really hard for paper 2 and 3. That's the same with all of the paper ones, and then obviously you've got the paper 2s later. The other comment that I wanted to just talk about as well is look for clues in the question, okay? They will give you all of the information for a reason, okay? Even if it's complicated. So often we see things like fractions, but they have algebra in them. If you use the same basic rules, you're going to be fine. Whenever I see a right angle triangle, I'm always thinking things like, is it trigonometry? Is it SOHCAHTOA? If it's a non-right angled triangle, then there's other rules you need to use. Look for clues in the question. They give you all the information you need. There are going to be some questions in there that chances are you may not have seen before. They're testing your problem solving, and you've got to have the ability to just grind through it, find out what are they asking you. Final piece of advice is I would always read a question twice, okay? I read it once and I read it twice just to make sure I really understood what is that question asking me. I calmed down and I looked for the clues in the question.